Various forms of the multiform Shiv Shankar Mahadev have been described in the Gita. The description of some of them are as follows. Kalos में Chapter 11, Shlok 32. One among the 108 names of Mahadev is Mahakal, that is the great death, the death of the deaths. Aja, Chapter 4, Shlok 6. It means the one who doesn't have birth. Shiv Shankar Bholenath himself is the one who isn't born. This is why one of his name is Aj, Anang. Chapter 3, Shlok 3. Chapter 14, Shlok 6. Chapter 15, Shlok 20. It means, oh, the one free from sins. Even if he kills the whole world, he won't be tainted by sin. It is Shiv Shankar Bholenath himself who is beyond sins and merits. Kutastha. Chapter 15, Shlok 16. The resident of the supreme abode of Ram, the one who resides on a high peak of the Kailash like Mount Everest. It is one Mahadev alone who is called Kailashvasi, that is the resident of Mount Kailash. Sarv Lok Maheshwaram. Chapter 5, Shlok 29. One of the names of Mahadev is Trilokesh, which means the Lord of all the three worlds. Anek Vaktranayana. Chapter 11, Shlok 10. One among the 108 names of Mahadev is Sahasraksh, which means the one with 1,000 eyes. It is only Shiv Shankar Mahadev who is shown with more than 2 eyes. Ugra Rupa. Chapter 11, Shlok 31. It means the one with a fearsome form. Only Shiv Shankar is shown fearsome, that is, he is shown performing the frenzy dance. One among the 108 names of Mahadev is Ugra as well. Strot Samasme Jahnavi, Chapter 10, Shlok 31. It means, I am the Ganges among rivers. It is Mahadev himself who is Gandadhar, the one who holds the Ganges on his head. Sarpanam. Chapter 10, Shlok 28. One of the names of Mahadev is Bhujang Bhushan as well. It means the one who wears snakes as ornaments. Pujyasht Gurur Gariyan. Chapter 11, Shlok 43. It means he is the worship-worthy Sadguru as well. One among the 108 names of Mahadev is Jagatguru. Rudranam. Chapter 10, Shlok 23. One of Mahadev's own names is Rudra. Mriganam. Chapter 10, Shlok 30. It means the Lord of even the animals. Pashupati Nath is the name of Mahadev himself. Yagyanam. Chapter 10, Shlok 25. One among the 108 names of Mahadev is Yagyamay as well. Parmeshwar. Chapter 11, Shlok 3. It means Param, great, plus Ishwar, God. Parmeshwar is also one of Mahadev's names. Api Chetsi Papebhya. Chapter 4, Shlok 36. It means the one who delivers from sins. Tarak is also a name of Mahadev. Anantaru. Chapter 11, Shlok 38. Anant is also a name of Mahadev himself. Mokshayashyami. Chapter 18, Shlok 66. It means the one who gives liberation. Apvargprad is also a name of Mahadev himself. Bahubahurupadam. Chapter 11, Shlok 23. One of Mahadev's name itself is Sahasrapad. Avyakmurtina. Chapter 9, Shlok 4. This is also a name of Mahadev himself. Dhiram Purusham Etena Vyathayanti. Chapter 2, Shlok 15. It means a patient man isn't disturbed by these aspects. One of Mahadev's name is Avyagra, the one who is forever unperturbed. Avyayatma. Chapter 4, Shlok 6. One of Mahadev's name is Avyay too. Sukhasya Ekantikasya cha. Chapter 14, Shlok 27. He is the one and only dignity of the super-sensuous joy. One of Mahadev's name is Mrid, the embodiment of joy. Sukham Bandhat Pramuchate. Chapter 5, Shlok 3. Pashvimochan. The one who easily frees from bondages is also a name of Mahadev himself. Nityam, chapter 13, Shlok 9, the name of Mahadev, the one who remains constant is Shashvat. Nitya Sattvastho. Chapter 2, Shlok 45, the one who is always stable in the quality of Sattva, that is truth, goodness, purity. One of the names of Mahadev is Satvik too. Havi. Chapter 4, Shlok 24. Havi is also a name of Mahadev. Sarvagyan. Chapter 3, Shlok 32. Sarvagya. Completely knowledgeable. In other words, the one who knows everything is also a name of Mahadev himself. Keshav. Chapter 2, Shlok 54. The Lord of the Bull-like Brahma. Vrishbharud, the one who rides the bull, and Vrishank, the one who has the symbol of a bull on his flank. These are the names of Mahadev himself. Mriganam. Chapter 10, Shlok 30. Mrigpani is also a name of Mahadev. Bhimkarma. Chapter 1, Shlok 15. Bhim, the one who performs fearsome actions, is also one of Mahadev's name. Kalyanakrit. Chapter 6, Shlok 40. It is Shiv himself who is forever beneficial. Bhut Maheshwaram. Chapter 9, Shlok 11. Maheshwar, the great lord of the living beings, is a name of Mahadev himself. Deepta Vishal Netram. Chapter 11, Shlok 24. It means Virupaksh, the one with big, red, ferociously glaring eyes, is a name of Mahadev himself. He himself is shown with the third eye. Shankara. Chapter 10, Shlok 23. Mahadev himself is called Shankar, the one who brings about the welfare of everyone. Dukh Sanyog Vyogam. Chapter 6, Shlok 23. Sharv, the remover of sorrow, is a name of Mahadev himself. Sarvatomukham. Chapter 13, Shlok 13. It means Panchvaktra. The one who has heads in all the directions is the name of Mahadev himself. Vishveshwar. Chapter 11, Shlok 16. This is also one of the 108 names of Mahadev. Prajapatiya. Chapter 3, Shlok 10. This is also one of the 108 names of Mahadev. Paramam Ashwaram Rupam. Chapter 11, Shlok 9. It means the Lord with the most prosperous form is Mahadev, the deity of the deities himself. Nabha Sparsham. Chapter 11, Shlok 24. It means Vyomkesh, which is a name of Mahadev himself. Shiv Shankar Mahadev himself has numerous names on the basis of his specialties and virtues.
जैसे कहते हैं शिव शंकर, वैसे कहते हैं शिव शंभु, शंभु शंभु.
Student, just like it is said Shiv Shankar, in the same way it is also said Shiv Shambhu. Who is Shambhu?
स्वयंभू.
Baba. Swayambhu.
भू माने होना, जन्म लेना.
Bhu means to happen, to be born.
माने कोई बाप नहीं होता है जन्म देने वाला.
It means he has no father who gives birth to him.
स्वयंभू.
Swayambhu.
वो स्वयं ही होता है.
He comes to being on his own.
कोई उसे 63 जन्म कितना भी बुलाता रहे, वो नहीं होता है.
No matter how much someone keeps calling him for 63 births, he doesn't come.
होना होता है तब खुद ही होता है.
He comes only when he has to.
इसलिए उसको कहते हैं स्वयं.
This is why he is called Swayam.
और वो है शंकर.
And that one is Shankar.
तीन आत्माओं का संकरण जब हो तब शंकर कहा जाए.
He will be called Shankar when there is Sankaran, meaning combination of three souls.
ब्रह्मा वाली सोल, कृष्ण वाली सोल, राम वाली सोल और शिव की सोल.
The soul of Brahma, that is Krishna, Ram and Shiv.
तीनों का संकरण होता है, मिक्सचर होता है, तब शंकर कहा जाता है.
When there is the combination, mixture of all the three, he is called Shankar.
तो शिव शंभु कहो।
So you may say Shiv Shambhu.
बात तो एक ही है।
It is one and the same thing.
ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर को देव देव महादेव कहते हैं, क्यों?
Student, Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar are called Dev Dev Mahadev. Why?
ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर तीनों को थोड़े कहते हैं देव देव महादेव।
Baba, not all the three Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar are called Dev Dev Mahadev.
इन लिखा है सच्ची गीता।
नहीं।
Student, it is written in the Sachi Gita. Baba, no.
देव ब्रह्मा देव विष्णु तो दो देव हो गए।
Dev Brahma, Dev Vishnu. So there are two deities.
देव देव
Dev, Dev.
माने एक ब्रह्मा देव है, एक विष्णु देव और फिर महादेव तीसरा।
It means one is deity Brahma and the other is deity Vishnu and the third one is Mahadev.
आशु माने जल्दी और तोष माने संतुष्ट हो जाए।
Ashu means quickly and Tosh means the one who becomes satisfied.
तो थोड़ी सी पूजा अर्चना करो, थोड़ी सी महिमा कर दो, हैं? तो खुश हो जाते हैं, हाँ, वरदान दे देते। भले भले कोई भस्मासुर बन जाए, हैं? और भस्मासुर बन के सालों साल पीछे पड़ा रहे और भगाता रहे।
Worship and venerate him a little, praise him a little, and he becomes happy and gives boons. It doesn't matter if someone becomes Bhasmasur and keeps chasing him for years.
इस ट्रेन से उस ट्रेन में, उस ट्रेन से उस ट्रेन में, इस हवाई जहाज से उस हवाई जहाज में, उस हवाई जहाज से उस हवाई जहाज भागता ही रहे।
From this train to that train, from that train to another one, he may keep running from this plane to that one, from that plane to that one.
हैं? दुनिया के चक्कर काटता ही रहे सालों साल।
He may keep going around the world for years.
लेकिन जब थोड़ी सी वैसा करते हैं बड़े अच्छे, बड़े बहुत ऊंचे आते, सब ऊंचा पाल तो आपका ही है। वाह वाह वाह, वरदान दे दिया।
But praise him a little. You are very nice. You are a great man. Only your part is the highest. And he becomes happy. Wah wah wah. He grants him a boon.
आशु माने जल्दी, आशु माने जल्दी, तोष माने संतुष्ट।
Ashu means quickly. Tosh means satisfied.
जल्दी संतुष्ट होने वाला।
Student comments. The one who becomes satisfied quickly.
ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं लेता।
He doesn't make you work too hard.
शिव बाबा कहते हैं मैं तुम्हें कोई ज्यादा मेहनत थोड़ी देता हूँ,
Shiv Baba says, I don't make you work too hard.
सिर्फ मुझे याद करो।
Just remember me.
उतना भी नहीं करते।
You don't do even that much.
आशु माने जल्दी और तोष माने संतुष्ट होने वाला।
Baba. Ashu means quickly and Tosh means the one who becomes satisfied.
थोड़े में ही संतुष्ट हो जाए।
The one who becomes satisfied with little.
बड़े से बड़ी भूल करे और माफी मांग ले और वो संतुष्ट हो जाए।
If someone commits a very big mistake but asks for forgiveness, he becomes satisfied.
सच्चे दिल पर सब राजी हो जाए।
The master is pleased with a true heart.
वो बंगाल टाइगर है।
He is the Bengal tiger.
और है
Student, that's only Baba's part.
अरे आशुतोष है तुम अवधर दानी।
Baba, अरे आशुतोष तुम अवधर दानी.
ये किसका गायन है?
Whose glory is this? Student, it is Baba's glory.
शंकर का ही तो गायन है।
Baba, it is only Shankar's glory. है।